Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash in Portland. Working on a Saturday, we're unpacking some Northwest apples, some Roof Wizard, some Gold Assassin back there. So thank you to Craig Harrison, Bobby Fig, Vitali. We got some cool stuff here. Let me show you what we got in. All right, just getting everything set up. We got our F9 products over here. We got the F9 Bark, E-Flow, Groundskeeper, Double Eagle. Got all 4 SKUs in 1 gallon containers. Thank you, Craig Harrison. Thank you to Vitali. We got the Northwest Roof Wizard. This stuff right here is 5X. So this stuff, you can actually mix it down to make 5 gallons. He did that so it'd be easier to ship out when he sends it out to people. We are not going to be shipping it as of right now. So if you need this stuff, stop in, say hello. We'll get you hooked up with some Northwest Roof Wizard. And then we also have the Northwest apples. Both of these, the smells, the scents on them are just incredible. Also, they are bleach stable and it actually enhances your bleach. So we actually went from a lemonator, now we're gonna be using this stuff. And then thank you to Bobby Fig. We got all our Gold Assassin. Got the 1 gallon containers, got the 5 gallon containers, and I only have 2 of the 55 gallon kits. So if you want any of this stuff, get a hold of me, call the business, stop by, we'll get you guys set up. Happy Saturday, everybody.